This was on sale over at Wally World, and I couldn't pass this up. Let's test out something. Let's plug it in. Dun, dun, dun. This will be so cool for the haunt. Oh, and by the way, I'm not taking the stickers off right now because I'm just testing it to make sure it's even going to do it. Of course, I don't know how loud this is. I love this so much. So nice. So nice, because I have other ones that are like horizontal, but clearly this one is not. Oh, that's so nice. My projector is really good, but this will be so cool. I'm gonna have it as like a window in the new facade of the haunt. Okay, turn that overhead light off. This is a lot better. That looks so good. Very nice, very nice. I'm so happy with this. Penny box. Yes. Gonna be so nice in the haunt. Sadly, this one was only $50 because of the damaged box. If there was more that were that price, I would have got at least one more. Because I would also love to be able to do like the rules and things like that when they're in the queue line. Yeah, that's right. Oh, so nice. Woohoo!